I swapped this wide canvas strap onto a few of my bags, and honestly, it's become a staple go-to accessory that I use on several of my bags. I'm a crossbody bag lover through and through, and this strap was actually intended for use with the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette. And I do use it with some Vuitton bags, but I don't have the multi-pochette. When it comes to Louis Vuitton, I prefer black to brown, which is what this offers, but still it keeps the Vachetta leather trim, gold hardware, and the Louis Vuitton famous clasp design. What I like about the look of this strap is the lack of in-your-face branding. Like the multi-pochette has that big Louis Vuitton embossed branding on it, and I don't care for that. So the simplicity is good here, the adjustability, and specifically, and I know this is weird for some of you, this little D-ring on the upper part of the strap here. I really like the idea of being able to clip on my keys or a little pochette or a coin purse. And the material of this strap feels sturdy and comfortable, and the adjustable length means I can wear it higher or lower depending on how I'm carrying my bag that day. It adds a casual, laid-back vibe that still feels put together, and it's wide enough that it doesn't dig into my shoulder, even when my bag has a lot of stuff in it. Now, I'm 5'9", and I'm a big person, so on the longest setting, it's very fortunately long enough, but if the bags are too tiny, in some cases I do feel this is a little short. It's easy to swap out with other straps and really refreshes the look of the bag without making it look too busy. And I like that it goes with so much of what I own. So yeah, recommend this one.